Excellent value for this 2-bedroom/2-bath first-floor condo with several upgrades. Newer items. New high-efficiency 16-SEER AC system installed November 2018. Newer kitchen appliances and washer-dryer. All-tile floor throughout with nice wood-like plank tiles in bedroom and master bath. Even the lanai has been tiled. Electric hurricane storm shade on lanai with accordion shutters on master bedroom windows. This unit comes with one assigned carport space and storage closet. Conveniently located near community pool and pickleball courts. Colonial Country Club is a highly desired resort community with moderate HOA fees, high-quality amenities and convenient location. This condo comes with a social membership that provides access to all community amenities plus pay-as-you-play golf access. In addition to the 18-hole championship golf course, the community has a clubhouse with dining, tennis, fitness, multiple pools, bocce, pickleball and miles of walking trails. This unit is available partially furnished just as you see in the photos.